Okay, so what is the function of fibroblast in the periodontal ligament? What is its function? So, fibroblast will produce. Fibroblast is actually responsible for the maintenance and also secretion of the extracellular matrix of the periodontal ligament. That is the main function. Periodontal ligament. Formation and maintenance of extracellular matrix of the periodontal ligament. Yeah. So, what are progenitor cells in the periodontal ligament? They are actually, you know, they have the ability to, you know, differentiate. They are ectomesenchymal cells. Undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells that can differentiate into all such stuff. Okay, and help in the maintenance and the regeneration of periodontium. Basically, that's the stuff. Maintenance and the regeneration of the periodontium. Yeah. So, what about genital cells? Again, like what, man? Ectomesenchymal, undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells that have the ability to differentiate. What else? Undergo mitotic cell division. They have the capacity to undergo mitotic division. Yeah. What are progenitor cells in the periodontal ligament? Undifferentiated mesenchymal cells that have the ability to differentiate into cells. Yeah. So what are defense cells in the defense cells in the periodontal ligaments? Defense cells, we have mast cells, macrophages, and other immune cells that have that provide defense against the pathogens and other foreign substances. Yes. What is the major role of collagen in the periodontal ligaments? Well, it is the major component of the fibers. Most of the fibers is collagenous. That's why. And you have special structure. Okay, special molecular structure. Collagen actually provides the tensile and flexibility and strength. Okay. What is the main type of collagen in the periodontal ligament? What is the main type of collagen? 1 and 3 and 12. You mean 1 and 3. Yeah. So, what are osteoblasts in the periodontal ligament? Bone forming cells. It forms the organic matrix of the bone and also helping the mineralization. So, what is the function of granules? They secrete. They contain histamine, heparin, serotonin, and other, mediators. Other mediators. What mean? Inflammatory. Other inflammatory, and they are having other inflammatory mediators. So, what is the function of granules? So, they possess histamine, heparin, serotonin, and other inflammatory mediators. What are fibroblasts? They produce fiber, collagen. Collagen is an organic matrix and ground substance. Okay. And help in the formation of the and maintenance of the extracellular matrix. What else? Yeah, this fibroblast is the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells in the periodontal ligaments. Okay, so the fibroblasts are the most numerous and functionally important. So fibroblasts are what? Fibroblasts are the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells in the periodontal ligaments. So what is the function of alveolar crest fibers? Alveolar crest fibers help in keeping the tooth in the sockets and prevent forces and prevent the we have alveolar crests. They help to keep the tooth in the tooth socket, and you have what, and also prevent and resist forces of extrusion. Yeah. So what is the function of fibroblasts in the periodontal ligaments? Yeah, homeostasis of the collagen. and forming the ground substance and fibers. What else? Maintenance and regulation of synthesis of extracellular matrix. Yeah. What are synthetic cells in the periodontal ligament? Synthetic cells you have this fibroblast, all such things, and they help in they form the organic matrix and also undergo mineralization. Yeah. So what are the resorptive cells? We have fibroblasts again, and they help in the resorption of bone and cement. So extracellular components we have this collagen types 1, 3 and 12 and oxytolin and iluvalin, and we have this proteoglycans and glycosaminoglycans and glycoproteins. Yeah. That's all. What is the origin of osteoblast in the periodontal ligaments? Origin of osteoblast. Origin of osteoblast it's like undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells. Are derived from multipotent mesenchymal cells. So osteoblasts are derived from the multipotent mesenchymal cells. So osteoblasts are derived from the multipotent. So osteoblasts are derived. Osteoblasts are derived from the multipotent mesenchymal cells. What is the function of fibroblasts in the periodontal ligament? Maintenance and formation of extracellular matrix. Because how collagenase enzyme is there. Collagen, ground substance. Yeah, they produce collagen and ground substance required for periodontal ligament and participate in collagen degradation by secreting collagenase enzyme and by phagocytosing and degrading secreting collagenase enzyme and then by phagocyting and degrading the collagen molecules and by phagocytosing and degrading the collagen molecules. The two also done by fibroblasts and by phagocytosing and degrading the collagen molecules. They degrade by secreting collagen enzyme and by phagocytosing and degrading again the collagen molecules. So what is the origin of cementoblast in the periodontal ligaments? Cementoblast are multipotent mesenchymal cells. What else? Undifferentiated. So cementoblast derived from different thing. I don't know why. Undifferentiated. Osteoblast, they are saying like other thing. Okay. Now cementoblast is derived from ectomesenchymal undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells. We have undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells. Okay. So what are the osteoblast periodontal ligament? They form bone, form the matrix, organic matrix, and also mineralization. What else? Help in formation of organic matrix of the bone, osteoid. Yeah, and mineralization of the matrix. So what are cementoblasts? Cement forming cells and cover the root of the tooth. And cementoblast derived from where? Osteoblast will say cemento. Cemento is from undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells of dental follicle. Derived from undifferentiated ectomesenchymal. So we have undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells, undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells of the dental follicle. So what is the functional importance of cement? Cement. They cover the root. What else? Cementum has a functional importance in maintaining the width of the periodontal. So cementum has a functional importance in maintaining the width of the periodontal ligaments. So cementum has a functional importance in maintaining the width of the periodontal ligament. What is the dual function, sir? You have, dual function is formation. Dual function is as formation as well as degradation of collagen. That is the dual function. Other members, they have helped maintain the turnover of collagen and homeostasis of the periodontal ligaments. Yeah. What is periodontium? Periodontium is the tissue that invests and supports the tooth in its natural and functional state. Collectively is called periodontial tissue. So what is the role of fibroblast? What is the role of fibroblast in periodontal ligament? Homeostasis and controlling the turnover. What else? In the collagen is phagocytosis and degradation. They produce collagen ground substance required for periodontal ligament and participate in collagen degradation by secretion. What are defense cells in the periodontal ligament? Defense cells. So we have mast cells and macrophages and other immune cells that help in defense against pathogens and other sort of fibroblasts. They are fibroblasts which have contractile elements like actin myosin, which actually provides a contractile force required for the tooth movement. So what are cementoblasts? Cement forming cells, and they have functional role in maintaining in controlling the width of periodontal ligament, and they are derived from the undifferentiated mesenchymal cells of the dental follicle. Sort of osteoclast from the multipotent mesenchymal cells. Bone forming matrix. What are osteoclast? Osteoclast are multi-nucleated giant cells found in the house-shaped lacunae that is help in the resorption of bones. What is osteoclast? Osteoclast is found in house-shaped lacunae and they are multi-nucleated giant cells that help in the resorption of bone. Cementoclast is resorption of cementum and other hard dental tissues. Resemblance to osteoclast in structurally and functionally. So what are progenitor cells? So when we talk about progenitor cells, undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells. They have the ability to differentiate two cells. They maintain the play an important role in maintaining the maintenance and formation and maintenance and regeneration of the periodontium. So usually found. Cells are usually found in the periodontal ligaments. What else? Progenitor usually found in the quiescent. Where are progenitor cells usually found? Progenitor cells are usually found in a quiescent state in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. So we have the whereas progenitor cells usually found Progenitor cells are what? Progenitor cells are found in the quiescent stage in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular. With a perivascular location, usually found in the quiescent state. Usually found in a quiescent state in the periodontal ligament with the perivascular location. It's a perivascular location. Stimuli. One differentiates into synthetic other axial elements in the progenitor compartment. That have the ability to differentiate, formed from the there are remnants of Hedwig's epithelial root sheath and found close to cementum in the periodontal ligament. What is the potential? They have the ability to differentiate into these cells, different types of cells. That is the potential. And what is the periodic acid shift? Positive periodic acid shift. Okay, positive. Argyrophilic fibrillar material that surrounds the fibrillar material that surrounds the epithelial cell rest of molasses. What is PAS? Positive agyrophilic fibrillar material that surrounds so it is unknown. It is unknown what the physiological role of epithelial cell rest of molasses is, but they are surrounded by PAS, that is what? Periodic acid shift. But they are surrounded by PAS, argyrophilic fibrillar material from which they are separated by basal lamina. So they are surrounded by PAS. Then we have PAS, argyrophilic fibrillar material, from which argyrophilic fibrillar material from which they are separated by basal lamina, from which they are separated by basal. So the so-called so it is separated argyrophilic fibrillar material and PAS, that is acid shift. What is the functional importance of cementum? The functional importance of cementum is to maintain the width or maintaining the width of periodontal. So they help in maintaining the. What is the functional importance? They have the functional importance in maintaining the width of the periodontal ligament. Okay. So what is the origin of osteoblast in the periodontal ligament? That is multipotent. We have multipotent what? Multipotent mesenchymal cells. The multipotent mesenchymal cells. What is the function of granules in the mast cells? They actually secrete mast cells. They actually secrete what? Histamine, heparin, serotonin, and other inflammatory substances. inflammatory mediators. What is the origin of cementoblast? Cementoblast we had is undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells in the dental follicle. What is the function of fibroblast in the periodontal ligaments? Maintenance and formation of the extracellular matrix. Then collagen, phagocytosis. What else? All such things. Degrading the collagen molecules. What are fibroblasts? Fiber forming cells. And also the ground substance. Collagenase enzyme, phagocytosis. What else we need to say? So they are most numerous. So fibroblasts are the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells found in the in the periodontal. So they are the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells found in the periodontal ligament. So what is the functional importance of cementum? Maintaining the width of periodontal ligament. Okay, what are cementoblast? Cementum forming cells from the undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells surround the tip of root. Yeah. What is the function of fibroblast in the periodontal ligament? Maintenance. You have the maintenance. Maintenance of what? So, extracellular matrix. Collagenase, blah blah blah. What are progenitor cells? Progenitor cells also have the ability to differentiate into different types of cells. They are undifferentiated ectomesenchymal cells. Maintenance. It's maintenance and regeneration of the periodontium. And they have the ability to undergo mitotic division. What are fibroblasts? Fibroblast again collagenase fibers, phagocytosis, degradation. Most numerous. Fibroblasts are the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells found in the periodontal ligament. So what is this? So your epithelial cell rest of molasses. So we don't know their functional role, but they are surrounded by PAS. PAS is something acid shift, that is periodic acid shift. Then agyrophilic positive agyrophilic fibrillar material. We have argyrophilic fibrillar material. So we have argyrophilic fibrillar material. So we have periodic acid shift. Positive agyrophilic fibrillar material that surrounds the epithelial cell rest of molasses. We don't know their role, physiological role, but they are getting surrounded by this and separated from from which they are separated by a basal lamina. From which they are separated by a basal lamina. What are the muscles and where they are found? Muscles, defense cells, and they have these granules which contains these mediators, inflammatory mediators. They are found periodontal ligaments. So muscles and defense cells are found in the periodontal ligaments. So muscles are okay. What are osteoclasts? Reabsorption. What else? Resorption of bone. They are multinucleated giant cells. They are multinucleated giant cells. Found in Howship's lacunae that help in resorption of bone. So what are osteoclasts? So osteoclasts multinucleated giant cells found in Howship's lacunae and help in the resorption of bone. So what do granules in the muscles contain? Histamine, heparin, serotonin, other macrophages are defense cells. Obviously, undergoing phagocytosis, you need more functions. What is their shape? Round or ovoid? Okay. With their nucleus, like horseshoe or kidney shape. They have other. What are the other functions? They have phagocytosis. Yeah. And they producing cytokines and growth factors, and found in the ground substance, found in the connective tissue, and gingival clavicular fluid. And antigen presentation and does it do all these things. Scavenger cells. What usually found? Progenitor cells are usually found in the periodontal ligaments. With a perivascular location. So progenitor cells are found in a quiescent state in a periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. So quiescent state. Progenitor cells. So progenitor cells are found in a quiescent state with in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. Okay, what are macrophages? Defense cells. What else? Then you could actually, what do they secrete, where they are found, what their antigen presentation. Scavenger cells. Oval, round and oval nucleus, and the round or oval shape, the nucleus shape, and all you can see. They are derived from the monocytes and found usually associated with the blood vessels. That also you can see. Okay, like the shape, everything is there. Then extra point is that they are derived from the monocytes. Blood usually associated with vessels. What is the function of lysosomes in macrophages? Lysosome? Phagocytosis. Yeah, cytoplasm of macrophage contain numerous lysosomes, which is actually responsible for breaking down and digesting cellular debris and foreign substances. So cytoplasm of macrophages. No, cytoplasm of macrophage. Yeah, cytoplasm of macrophage contain what? Contain numerous lysosomes which will actually break down what? Which is actually responsible for breaking down and which is actually responsible for responsible for breaking down, which is actually responsible for breaking down and digesting cellular debris and foreign substances. What are extracellular components of the periodontal ligament? We have these fibers 1, 3 and 12 and the oxytalan, illuvalin and the glycosaminoglycan and glycoproteins. Fibers, yeah, ground substance, okay. Extracellular components. We have blood vessels, lymphatics, nerves, and cementicles. So we have blood vessels, lymphatics, nerves. So we have blood vessels, lymphatics, nerves, and cementicles. All these things are also included in the so-called extracellular components of the periodontal ligament. What is the main type of fiber found in the periodontal ligament? Collagen. That too mainly 1 and 3. If you need 90%. So what is the periodicity of collagen fibers? The collagen fibers have transverse striations and have a periodicity of 64 nanometer. Characteristic periodicity of 64 nanometers. What is the main type of collagen that is found in the periodontal ligament? 1 and 3. So what is the function of fibroblasts in collagen secretion? What is the function of function of fibroblast in fibroblast in collagen secretion? They secrete it. It's a fiber. That's it. Collagen secreted mainly by fibroblasts, and they secrete tropocollagen, which aggregates into myofibrils that are arranged to form fibrils. So collagen are secreted mainly by fibroblasts. Okay, they secrete tropocollagen. So collagen is secreted mainly by fibroblasts, and they secrete tropocollagen that aggregate into microfibrils. That aggregate into microfibrils that are arranged to form fibrils. Which aggregates into microfibrils that are which aggregates into that aggregates into microfibrils and are arranged to form fibrils. So what is the function of fibroblast in collagen formation? So fibroblast form collagen is mainly secreted by fibroblasts, and they form tropocollagen, which form fibrils, and they form which aggregate this tropocollagen aggregate to fibrils. Tropocollagen aggregate into microfibrils and that are arranged to form fibrils. Tropocollagen aggregate into microfibrils that are arranged to form fibrils. Okay. So what are fibroblasts? Again, collagen, ground substance, collagenase, phagocytosis, degradation. Fibroblasts are the most numerous and functionally important connective tissue cells found in periodontal ligaments. So what these fibers are packed to form fibers, and then they are packed to form bundles. Collagen. These fibers are packed to form fibrils fibers, and fibrils are fibers and then packed to form bundles. What are those? How many principal fibers are found in the periodontal ligament? We have 5 basically. What are the names of the 4 different? So we have apical alveolar crust, horizontal, oblique, apical, and interradicular. So what are the functions of the alveolar crust fibers? So alveolar, we don't know about the alveolar crust fibers. Yeah, alveolar crust fibers help to keep it in the socket and help to prevent extrusion of the tooth. Yeah. So what are mast cells and where they are found? Mast cells are different cells and they are found in the periodontal ligament. And what are the accessory fibers? Accessory fibers are for aid in the function. The second group of fibers, and they also aid in the function along with the principal fibers. Yeah. And what are these epithelial periodic acid Schiff positive argyrophilic fibrillar material, argyrophilic fibrillar material that surrounds the argyrophilic fibrillar material that surrounds argyrophilic epithelial cell rest of molasses. Yeah. What is yeah. So we don't know the functions of the epithelial cell rest. We don't know the functions, the functional role, physiological role of epithelial cell rest of is unknown, but it is getting covered by this, periodic acid Schiff positive and argyrophilic fibrillar material, and they are separated from them by a basal lamina. Yeah. So what are osteoclasts? Osteoclasts, they are multinucleated giant cells. Okay. And this they are multinucleated. They are multinucleated giant cells. They help in the resorption. What else? House-Schiff's lacunae. This is found in the House-Schiff's. Found in multinuclear giant cells that are found in House-Schiff's lacunae. What is the composition of collagen fibers in the periodontal ligament? What is the composition of collagen fibers in the collagen? What else? Composition. What type of collagen is in? Just we have type 1, 3 and 12. As in predominantly. What is the developmental origin of periodontal ligament? Periodontal ligament. Dental follicle. Undifferentiated ectomesal chimeral cells. That develops an ectomesal chimeral component of a tooth gem. Yeah. So periodontal ligament. So periodontal ligament actually develops. So they actually develops in the dental follicle, an ectomesenchymal component of the tooth gem. So what are progenitor? Where are progenitor cells usually found? Progenitor cells usually found in the periodontal ligament. Where else? Oh. Uh, Progenitor cells are found in the quiescent state in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. With a perivascular location. So progenitor cells. So progenitor cells are found in a quiescent cells. So progenitor cells are found in a progenitor cells. So progenitor cells are found in progenitor cells. Progenitor cells are found in quiescent state in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. So what are macrophages? Macrophages. What do you end? Scavenger cells. I can define these substances releasing antigen presentation, where they are found, and what else? That's round and ovoid nucleus, and their shape, nucleus shape. Where they are from the monocytes. They are from closest blood vessels. So what is the function of lysosomes? Phagocytosis. They are found numerous. They help in the digestion of the debris, organic debris and foreign substances. So what are gingival fibers? Gingival fibers are found in the gingival connective tissue. And it underlies the clavicular and junctional epithelium that plays an important role in supporting. That plays an important role in maintaining the supporting apparatus of the tooth. Group of fibers found underlying the clavicular and junctional epithelium. What are the extracellular components of the periodontal ligament? We know all the fibers. Apart from that, we have blood vessels, lymphatics, nerves, and even symmetricals. So what is the function of fibroblasts? Collagen secretion. The collagen secretion. So collagen is secreted mainly by fibroblasts, and they form a tropocollagen, which aggregate to form microfibrils, and they are arranged to form fibrils. And what are osteoclasts? Osteoclast, multinucleated giant cells secreting bone and resorption of bone. Found in the Hauschips lacunae. Found in the Hauschips lacunae. And what is the developmental origin of a period? What is the developmental origin of periodontal ligament? Dental follicle and ectomesenchymal part of what? Tooth germ. Where are progenitor cells? Usually found? Progenitor cells are usually found in the quiescent stage in the periodontal ligament. Quiescent stage in the periodontal ligament. Okay. With what? What is the so-called quiescent stage in the periodontal ligament? You can see the progenitor cells. Then what? With a perivascular location. Progenitor cells are usually found in the quiescent stage. Progenitor cells are usually found in the quiescent state in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location. Okay. What are osteoclasts? Osteoclasts are multinucleated giant cells seen in the Hauschips lacunae. Helps with resorption of bone. What else? So where are the progenitor cells usually found? Progenitor cells are found in the quiescent stage in the periodontal ligament. Quiescent. They are found in the quiescent stage Change in the periodontal ligament and where is with a perivascular location. So where are the progenitor cells usually found? Progenitor cells are usually found in the where? Fusion stage in the periodontal ligament with a perivascular location.